Have you ever wondered if your morning smoothie could do more than just quench your thirst? What if those vibrant greens and exotic fruits held secret superpowers, ready to kick nerve damage out the door? Buckle up, because we're about to take a delicious detour into the top 13 superfoods that aren't just tasty, they're also your nervous system's best pals. Get ready to transform your plate and your health with these quirky, nerve-repairing heroes. First up, we have avocados, those creamy green gems that turn every meal into a fiesta. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, they can smooth over the rough edges where nerve damage may have taken its toll. Who knew brunch could be so restorative? Next, let's talk berries. Yes, those colorful little fruits that look like they just rolled off the set of a Pixar movie are packed with antioxidants. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are the true superhero trio, fighting oxidative stress like it's the villain in an eco-friendly blockbuster. Ever heard of turmeric? This golden spice is more than just a curry staple. It's a powerhouse of curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. A sprinkle here and there, and you'll be feeling like you've got liquid gold flowing through your veins. Now let's dive into the crunchy world of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts don't just make a great snack. They're filled with omega-3 fatty acids that support nerve regeneration. Snack away and give your nerves a nutty hug. Then there's dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. The darker, the better. Packed with flavonoids, it's not just indulgent, it's also a delicious way to protect your nerves while satisfying your sweet tooth. Can I get an amen? Green tea follows suit with its zen qualities, boasting a host of antioxidants that may help rebuild nerve fibers while you relax. Sip slowly. You're indulging in more than just a caffeine kick. Next on the list, we can't overlook sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are rich in beta-carotene and fiber, perfect for keeping those nerve signals firing right. If you're ready to go global, join the quinoa revolution. This ancient grain is not only a protein powerhouse, but also a source of essential amino acids necessary for nerve repair. Spinach and kale join the party, packing vitamins and minerals that nurture nerve health. These leafy greens can make you feel like a superhero just by munching on them. Don't forget chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, these little seeds pack a fiber punch and omega-3s that contribute to better nerve function. Sprinkle them on everything. What about carrots? Not only do they keep your eyesight sharp, but they're also rich in nutrients that aid in nerve repair. Hop on the carrot train. Last but not least, let's raise a glass to olive oil. This liquid gold is not just for dressing salads. It contains healthy fats that may help your nervous system run as smoothly as a well-oiled machine. So, there you have it, a tasty recipe of superfoods ready to support your nerves. If you're hungry for health, why not combine a few of these in your next dish? Who knew repairing your nerves could be so deliciously entertaining? What will you blend up first? Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in managing your health effectively. You can watch more of our videos somewhere here.